I've a nice slated house, I've a cow or two with grass, I've a plant garden running by the door. I've a shelter for the hens and a stable for the ass. Now what can a girl want more? I don't know, maybe so, but the spinster is easy and she's free. I've lots to look after and I'm living all alone, and there's no one looking after me. Often tells me I should go and have a try to get a man that owns a bit of land. And I know the way says if there's someone in his eye, sure me mother has the whole thing planned. But I don't know, will I go? And 'twould nullify them greatly to agree. But there's handsome Johnny Flynn, sure 'tis him I want to win, though he never throws an eye at me. I don't know, and I'd love to be sitting on his knee. And I sing like a thrush on a hawthorn bush, and he comes and makes an eye at me.